I could taste I could literally taste that car. It was like the car was in my mouth, bro.
Excuse me?
Cut the clip. What's good, guys? It's your boy Ziggs here to open up the vlog, guys. And in today's vlog, we are checking out the Ferrari Challenge of North America, guys. And we also got a crazy new update, guys. We have doubled our Patreon subscribers. What? Not one, but two now. So shout out to our OG, Isaac Bravo, and shout out to our new member, Gabriel McKee. Guys, I am so excited. And if you want to be part of that Patreon, go down and click the link in the description so you get a shout out too. Anyway, guys, I hope your day's going good, great, and amazing. And let's go! Good, great, and amazing.
Good, great, and amazing.
I hope your day's going good, great, and amazing. And let's go! What's goody, my gang? It's your boy Ziggs. We are here with Tristan.
What's up, guys?
You see anything new?
Oh, the camera.
It's
oh,
the
yeah.
new
camera.
As a front-facing.
Here, Ferrari Challenge North America. Look at all the Ferraris, dude.
Ferrari Challenge with America. Yeah, I've never been to a race way type thing. First things first, though, is it's 8 o'clock, and I dressed like we were gonna be here at like 12 in the afternoon. So I'm a little chilly, but it's okay. Today we're vlogging on the new camera. Guys, I'm back. Look at this.
Rally fastest 156.043. There you can see the beat.
Wow. Gents and ladies, we're back.
Oh.
So which one's Lightning McQueen?
The red one over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Like Owen Wilson's driving too?
Ka-chow.
Oh, that? What's goody, my gang?
Yo, what is goody, my gang? Get your...
Dude, look.
Just taking a look at my future whip out here.
Tristan, they asked you if they could borrow your car?
Something light. Pretty swag. That's pretty hot. That's pretty hot. Alright, guys, yeah, we're just walking through this area with cars, so I figured I'd like vlog the cars. There's one car. That one's red. What's in there? Guys, it's like on the driver. Look at the wheel. Well, if I just held it like this every time I show you guys,
so much easier for
so it made me look really tall.
But then once everyone will notice when it comes back down.
Hey, what the rig?
What the segment?
Guys, look, another car.
That's a cool one.
Oh, another one. I could taste them.
Oh, that was cool.
I could taste one more time. It's Lightning McQueen, it's Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow. What? Ka-meow?
Ka-meow.
Bro thinks he's a cat. Gang, the race is gonna start. Alright, guys, well, I think the race is underway. Guys, we switched up. Whoa. Whoa. Hyperview. Whoa, look what it does to us on the side. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, wait, you gotta be on the side. See how it stretched out your face? Wait, let me. Oh my gosh, it makes your nose huge. It makes your nose actually ginormous. Guys, look, hyperview. We get like the full. We get like everything in this. We'll come back. We'll come back. Oh, Yankee, no brim?
What?
Oh, Yankee, no brim?
Look at the top of his head! Look at his lips!
Alright guys, Zig coming at you halfway through the vlog to remind you, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the Patreon, guys. Keep enjoying the vlog. Let's go. Oh my god, oh wait. Go look forward, look forward. Wow, makes your nose giant. Oh, my dad's gonna love this.
Oh, God.
I'm done, I'm done. It's not even.
Alright, now I beat you.
Alright guys, this is the last lap, so. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Alright. So is that it?
That's the end of that race.
There's another one?
Yeah.
Okay, this blue one right here, I'll zoom in digitally. That's the car we're rooting for. And for our competition will be this pink one behind it and the blue one in front of it. But I want that blue one, the electric looking one, to win. All right, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Guys, we're back, and suddenly I just got knocked down to 4%, so hopefully I don't miss much. Look at this hyper view though. Look how that's the track right there. You get the swoop to whoop. There's the cars. This is all like more car stuff. This is like Lightning McQueen, and this is like Mac. So this is Mac, and Lightning McQueen would stay inside Mac, and then when they get to the car meets, they poop them out like this. That's pretty crazy. Sure. Oh, whoa, what?
It's not open.
What the heck? Wow.
Wow.
I've never been to any race, so.
Oh, okay, yeah. This is like the top of the top dollar.
Yeah?
There's only a couple of them open, but yeah.
Guys, look at that. Oh, that is so cool.
Drivers from there. And certainly a danger for P7 Eric Marston, who's out of position. Qualifying on Sunday. Wow.
This is even better than my spot. I feel like I got some VIP access. That was pretty cool. My camera was at 1%, so I had to charge it. That last race was a little interesting. Anyway, guys, here's our next race. They're about to take off. Me and Tristan are gonna choose our cars. You ready, Tristan? Which one do you want? Give me the orange in 5th place right now.
Huh?
Orange and white versus black and blue. Look at that. Getting ready for the race. You can see the Ziggs mobile. Pretty swag. Pretty swag. Ziggs whip. Oh, how did I get all the way back here? Bro, it's gone. It lost the tire. That was my whip. Wild. We just lost 2 cars right near the end. That was my car. I cut the clip, I guess. What's goody, my gang?
What's goody, my gang?
Guys, we're gonna go check out the podium. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd type beat. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, that's not a car. Dude, where's my boy who lost the tire, bro?
Congratulations, drivers.
What? Stud, bro. Stud. Absolute stud. Wow.
Wow.
Poor guy in the car probably feels kind of awkward, but I feel like he feels kind of awkward. Does he? I accidentally touched it. I didn't mean to. I accidentally touched the car. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy that vlog. We got to check out some amazing cars. Now, I'm not a big car guy, but I still thought those cars were pretty cool. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy the vlog, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces!